If the roots of the equation x square plus bx plus q equals to 0 differ from the roots of the equation x square plus qx plus p equals to 0 by the same quantity, then one of these conditions is true. We have to find it out. Given to us, roots of the equation differ from the roots of the other equation by the same quantity. So to start with, let us say that the roots of the first equation is alpha comma beta. The second equation is alpha dash comma beta dash. Let's write down the first equation. What we know, x square plus px plus q equals to 0. Then we know that sum of the roots is alpha plus beta, and that is equals to minus b by a, that is minus p, comma alpha beta equals to c by a. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Alpha plus beta is minus p by a, and alpha beta equals to c by a. So c by a is equals to q. Similarly, the other equation we have is x square plus qx plus p equals to 0. Here the roots are alpha dash and beta dash we have taken. Then alpha dash plus beta dash equals to minus b by a, that is minus q. Alpha dash beta dash equals to c by a, that is p. What is given to us? Given to us that alpha minus beta equals to alpha dash minus beta dash. Can we say, squaring on both sides, alpha minus beta whole square equals to alpha dash minus beta dash whole square, which can be written as, we know only alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So how can we write this in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta? For that we have the formula alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta is alpha minus beta whole square. Similarly, on the right hand side we have alpha dash plus beta dash whole square minus 4 alpha dash beta dash. Now let us substitute the value. We will be able to solve this. Let us substitute the values. We have alpha plus beta minus p whole square minus 4 into alpha beta, that is 4q, equals to minus q whole square minus 4 into p. On the next step we will have p square minus 4q equals to q square minus 4p. Can we get every left hand side q square? We will have p square minus q square minus 4q plus 4p equals to 0. Can we write it as p minus q into p plus q plus 4 into p minus q equals to 0. Now we can clearly see that we can take p minus q common. Then left out is p plus q plus 4 into p minus q equals to 0. Now since p is not equals to q, the condition what we get is p plus q plus 4 equals to 0 or p plus q equals to minus 4. So we can write in the last step. After this we can say that p minus q into p plus q plus 4 equals to 0. Since this is not equals to 0, this should be 0.